Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution. Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to reset the service spanner for a Peugeot 207. So guys, what you need to do is hold both of these buttons here as shown. Just hold it, and then what you need to do is turn the ignition key. But don't switch on the engine. Just turn the ignition key so the lights on the dashboard appear. Now I've turned the key, but on this occasion it didn't reset. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it again. On my second attempt, this is when I reset the service spanner. So pay close attention, guys. So now this is my second attempt. I switched on the ignition. Now, as you can see, it's counting down from 10 to 0. So once it gets to 0, now it's 0, you can let go of the two buttons. Then what you need to do, turn the ignition key off and then turn the ignition on. Don't start the engine, turn it on until the lights appear on the dashboard, and then the service spanner should be off. Yes guys, it should be off. If it is not off, keep trying. You will eventually turn off the service spanner. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.